could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know? I had to get out down the road inside of the same old, caught in the circles round me. That wasn't my plan. Hi guys, I have to be very quiet because I think someone above me is already sleeping, and those capsules are really soundproof, so I hope you can still hear me. It's the first time I'm sleeping in a capsule hotel. Yeah, here I am. Just to give you a quick update, I'm currently in Vienna because my flight is tomorrow. I haven't said it, but I'm going to Korea and I'm gonna stay there for a month, and I will just, travel around. Yeah, that's basically it. So I will probably hear you either tomorrow morning on my way to the airport, or when I landed in Seoul, or basically as soon as I get to my hotel in Seoul. So yeah, see you. It's hard when you keep close. Rewind with my eyes closed. Might need a breather. Got lost in the B-roll. Let all the wind blow to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on. If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know? I had to get out down the road inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close. Rewind with my eyes closed. Might need a breather. Got lost in the B-roll. We let all the wind blow to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on.
Hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way.
Hi guys, I'm at my hotel. Well, I'm only staying at this hotel for one night. Tomorrow I will be switching to my Airbnb, and yeah, I survived. I survived the flight. The flight itself wasn't that bad. It was just due to the fact that I couldn't sleep. It felt like forever, and time wasn't going by fast enough, so that was my struggle. But at least I was able to sleep for the last 15 minutes of my flight. I woke up when we landed, and yeah, basically what I did afterwards was catching a taxi, which, fun story, I thought I had too little money with me to pay the taxi driver. Turns out I forgot to, I oversaw a zero on like the note I had enough cash. And in the end, I had to pay with card, so therefore it was irrelevant. But yeah, that gave me a bit of a panic attack, anxiety attack. I don't know. I was really, really scared. And then, yeah, I just dropped off my luggage at my hotel because earlier check-in wasn't possible. And yeah, basically all I did was walk around, like get to the places that I wanted to see. I will link down below all the places and their neighbor map link. So if you want to see like similar stuff or the same things, you can just click the link and save it to your neighbor maps. And yeah, I also met my friend from, we know each other for like 3 years now, and we only talked over the phone, like we FaceTime like once. And today I met him. It was pretty cool. We hung out for lunch because he's going to uni. We had like lunch break, and afterwards we met at 4, I think. And yeah, we were at, well, I was at Triple Street at first, and then we met there and went to, how do I call it? It's basically there's a highway, and then you stop there to rest, and you can eat food and stuff. I know what's the name in German, but English, and I don't know. Anyways, we got food there, and sadly the weather wasn't really nice. As you've seen in some footage, it was mainly like really foggy, or well, the air quality wasn't that good. When I was in at the Central Park and the Tree Bowl, the weather was like really nice, and the sky was blue, and it was perfect. It was really hot. It was so freaking hot. But other than that, it was really cloudy and foggy. So sadly, we couldn't really enjoy the view of this place. But it was still nice. We talked a lot, and now it's almost 11 p.m. I just showered, and yeah, I will go to sleep. Basically, that's all I'm gonna do. And I know the first day wasn't really spectacular or anything, but since I haven't slept since forever, I just wanted to, calm a bit down. And I also skipped the cafe, but instead I found like a really cute place. Picker, I think it's called. It's also linked down below. And yeah, this passion fruit aid, it was so good, so freaking good. But yeah, that's it from me for now. I will catch you guys tomorrow, probably in my Airbnb. See you.
She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. And I'm mesmerized like every night by every word she'll say. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she doesn't know that she's got a hold. She's got a certain kind of gravity, and she doesn't know that I wanna show. And when I see her, I believe in every hunger turning to natural song. She took me to the moon and we kept on going. Like the whole world stopped for her, but she couldn't get. She got me dancing through the streets like I'm Fred Astaire. Got me dizzy, head is spinning when she comes around. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she's the only thing that keeps me in this lonely town. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she does.
이건 누가 몰라요? 우리가 너무 몰라. 그래서 저는 제가 배운 재능을 이용해서 우리 전통주로 막걸리를 하게 될까 해서 막걸리집을 차렸어요. 아직까지 잘 느끼고 있어요. 자, 좋습니다. 자, 이 시간에 뭘 하는가 하면요. 지금 여러분들 드시는 막걸리 맛 어때요? 맛있어요. 그 막걸리를 제가 양평에서 매일 만들고 있어요. 그래서 이 시간에는 가장 인상적인 막걸리를 여러분들한테
Hi guys, I'm back from basically my second day of exploring Seoul and I checked into my Airbnb. It's like a really lovely place. I'll link them down below because I don't know, maybe someone's searching for an Airbnb and need one. It has like, it's really like, it has a really good location. Basically what I did today. Also, don't mind me walking around and stuff. I'm like feeling a little bit not uncomfortable, but like weird. It feels weird to be like in someone's house basically. But yeah, I've been exploring Seoul again with my friend. So we went to Seoul Station. Like we had to transfer my other hotel to Seoul Station, and we basically spent like almost 3 hours like getting there and then finding a storage luggage place, because at Seoul Station everything was like booked. So we found like a hair salon that offers luggage storage. So yeah, there we dropped it off and we went to picnic. It's like a museum, and then yeah, just strolling around like at the, was it, yeah, we went to Namdaemun, Sichang, and then we went to, was it Sondaemun? No, I think it was also Namdaemun. Was Sondaemun isn't, yeah, it was Namdaemun. Yeah, and then after that we checked, I checked into my Airbnb, and then we went to Hongdae, and I have to say it was something like, in comparison to Incheon and I don't know, just like the other area like Namdaemun, the vibe was completely different. And I know that it's like, you know, it's like a popular place and stuff, so there were so many people, but that's not like, you know, the impressive part. I would say it's like just the different buildings and the option of stuff that you can do. We went to this curry, I don't know the English word, basically they draw you in like a cartoon-ish way, I'd say, and I'll show you a picture now. And yeah, it was really fun. And then we went to a really cool restaurant, quite fun, because they had like a little event where he was saying like, yeah, you have to find like my name on the Naver Map website or the description of their restaurant, and I think 10 people had to find his name, and then one round of makgeolli were like basically for free. So the waiter was going around and filling everyone up, and sadly makgeolli is like not for me. I think it's the creamy texture, because I also like pina colada has also like the cream inside, and it's not the same texture, but I think that's one of the reasons why it's not that much for me. It was good to try though, and yeah, so you can like really taste the alcohol, so that's probably also a reason, because I'm not good with alcohol. But yeah, then I went to Cacao Friends, and was it AK Mall? Is it called like that? It was a hall right when you go out of the Hongdae University station. So yeah, it was a lot of impressions that I got, but I enjoyed like every second. Like the weather was really shitty, but since the rest was like basically perfect, it was an amazing experience, and I'm looking forward to the next days. I'm not sure what I will do tomorrow because it says it should be raining. The only thing that I definitely want to do is going to the night market around the Bangbo Bridge area. Yeah, that's definitely what I want to do. And there was supposed to be a drone show, but it got cancelled due to rain. I'm not sure if they like postpone it. That would be cool, but yeah, if I don't see it, I don't see it. It will be fine. So yeah, that's basically for me. I'm just gonna hop in the shower and then get ready for bed, or at least rest a little bit and then get ready for bed. And yeah, future me jumping in, I would say I forgot to film an outro, as it seems. So yeah, here I am. It's actually my last day right now, so great that I discovered it that early. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first part of my Korea vlog, and yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.